Good morning everyone. I am Kashvi Sharma. My last food is 26. Today I am going to make a delicious and healthy cucumber boat salad. I have some cucumbers, 1 bowl sprouts, paneer, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, tomatoes, onions, coriander leaves, mustard sauce, curd, lemon juice, chaat masala, salt, black pepper, fresh bitter leaf, cherry tomato, boiled sweet corn. Let's start. I will take a bowl of curd, add mustard sauce in it. Let's add some black pepper, chaat masala, take another big bowl and put sprouts in it. Let's add some paneer, which is good source of protein. For making more healthy and nutritious, we will add red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, tomatoes, onions, cabbage with some coriander leaves. Now mix this curd in this healthy veggie sprouts. Now put this mixture into cucumber boat slice. Now let's start the plating. To the upper part of the bowl and fix it with the toothpick. Now let's put the tomato on it. Now my delicious boat is ready to sail in the river of hunger. Now, let's do the presentation part by adding few more things like onion man, spinach tree, cucumber island, and tomato boat. Now my colorful cucumber palette is ready.